Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a hot minute, but you know, things happen and you need to take a little breather sometimes. I'm cleaning me off some space because we're getting ready to do an unboxing. So I need to put some things back and get it out of my way. All right. And I thought I had canceled this baby. This is the Cult Crushes, so I did end up getting this month's box. So I went back on their website and I looked and looked and looked through all the tabs looking for an unsubscribe button. Guys, I could not find an unsubscribe button. So what I had did before was take all my credit card information out, but that didn't work. So I had to email them and tell them I no longer wanted to receive this box, and I got the email back saying I had been unsubscribed. So if you want to unsubscribe from this, from what I could see, you need to email them and tell them to take you off the list, because I did not see an unsubscribe button anywhere. I was on my phone using, I don't know if that's an app version or a condensed version, and I don't know, but I did not see anywhere under my account, my subscriptions, all those little tabs. I looked under every tab I had, anywhere to unsubscribe. So I emailed them. And they did email me back and say I had been unsubscribed. So yay, because I had replaced this box with the Allure Beauty box. I wanted to try that one a few months and see how it does. I got the first box from it, and it was the Kat Von D box. If you've not seen that video, it's down in my list. Check it out. But this is the Ricky's Cult Crushes. I will say the first two boxes I got, I was not impressed at all. I mean, I just wasn't impressed. So we're going to open this up and see what we got. Here's the little card. It does tell you what you got, but it does not tell you what they retail for. First thing I'm seeing is a box. Bat Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. What is that? Grow your lashes. I guess this is it. Smack Beauty. Okay, yes. Grow your lashes and feel summertime fine with the help of the serum. Not only does it condition your lashes for a lush look, but it helps them grow naturally. Use daily for best results. I probably will not use this. I will throw it in the giveaway. Or a giveaway. Might not be this giveaway, but I need to start hoarding up some stuff for another giveaway. This looks interesting, though. Wickedly Divine. Look at this packaging. Did I show you this packaging? Hold on. This is kind of retro looking. Look. But yeah, I'm not going to use that. Now this, maybe it's a liquid lipstick. What are you? LA Splash. Wickedly Divine Death Dealer. Just like your favorite summer outfit, this lipstick is light, comfortable, and sure to turn heads. Rock this tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat. Alright, I got the shade. It is Death Dealer. Oh, wow. Look at the... I'm going to keep this just for the packaging. The little crystal on top. Yeah, I'll keep that just for the packaging. That's pretty. Yeah, wow, that is. I'm not going to swatch it because I do have to go to work and I'll have swatch color all over. I mean, this looks like it would be a color to stain, but it is definitely a very deep, vibrant berry shade. So I'm going to keep that just for the packaging, even if I don't even wear it. That is cute to put out. All right, what's next? All right, travel wipes. Hey, we're going on a cruise, but I don't know if these would last a year. Probably if you didn't open them, they would. Ricky Care Cleansing Wipes, a travel essential. These wipes remove makeup, tone, and cleanse your skin, made with aloe, vitamin E, chamomile, flower extract. They keep you feeling cool even when things heat up. So yeah, I'll keep those and use those. There's the usual frou-frou. And then under the bubble wrap, I see some more stuff. What is this one? Glamazon blush. Okay, enhance your sun-kissed complexion with a swipe or two of blush. Apply to the apples of your cheeks, swiping upward towards the ear and hairline, and enjoy long-lasting color. This packaging is very cute too. This box is not as bad, but still, for $14, I would rather, I think, have the Allure box. Now watch me shoot myself in the foot, and the next box be fantastic. Who knows? I mean, that's just the way it is, but I can't... You guys know I have to... Ooh, this is bright, guys. This is almost the color of the lipstick. That's super bright. So I don't know if I'm going to keep that one or put that in a giveaway as well. I'm going to put it over there for now. I'll think about it. Last item. Oh, this packaging is really pretty too. Well, they're nailing it on the packaging. This is LA Splash again. Look at that packaging. Packaging? Did I say? Shannon, duh. This is coconut concoction. It says on the lid. I had a message coming up on my phone. Okay, and take it apart, and there is a little something something in there. Little bottle of something. What are you? And it looks, oh, is it? No, it's the bottle that's green. I thought it was like two things in there that you shook it up and mixed it together. Vanishing potion. When your makeup is trying to have a staycation on your face, remove it with this. Oh, it's a makeup remover. Okay. Remove it with this miracle product. The aloe and vitamin C leave your skin feeling smooth and hydrated after. All right, I guess so you can put this on, like, especially eye makeup that doesn't want to come off, and take it off with that. So I will keep that because I know glass bottles and liquids, the post office does not like to ship those. They will drop something on the floor and picking it up. They will, you know, they always ask, do you have liquids in your parcel? You have to answer yes or no. I mean, you could fib and say no, but they do, you know, scan this stuff as it goes through. So I'd rather be, you know, safe than sorry and not mail that. I'll just keep it. We're getting down to the bottom, guys. But that is it for the Cult Crushes. That packaging was really pretty, though. I may keep it in that for right now. We'll keep it in there for right now. And I do keep the frou-frou that's out of there, so I need to get that out and put in a bag or something. That is it for Ricky's Cult Crushes. And like I said, I did cancel that subscription. I've not been thrilled with it. This one was okay. I mean, I will try this oil. I will use the wipes. I can always use wipes. And this lipstick, even if I don't wear it, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And I will display that somehow once I get my mess cleaned up. The blush is probably way too dark for me. And I will not use a lash serum. I take biotin. I take it. And it does help. It has helped my hair a lot. My lashes do seem to be getting a little longer. My nails are growing pretty good, but I have to keep them short for work. So, I mean, but yeah, that's it for this super short video, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'm going to get back on track. I have a video, the video before this, kind of explaining what was going on last week, what all was happening, and if you want to check that one out, it shows you how I got this look. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.